holiday.
Yes, yes.
We're now
Karga. You want
here
to
at
make
the-
Karga? Okay.
Ito yung front niya, ayan.
Oo nga, para makita mo, doon ka didiretso.
Hanapin natin kung may subway dyan, sakay tayo. Ay! Pasukin nyo yan! Reserve! Mag-enjoy kayo dyan! Yung ano, kape yan, hindi yan basta coffee shop. Pasok kayo. Just one by one. Kape.
Oh, ano? Kaya nung gusto mo.
Reserve yan, te. Reserve yan, te, hindi yan kape shop. Pakita mo yung paano ginagawa yung kape dyan. Bango, di ba? Reserve yan. So, ano yung paggawaan talaga.
JJ's in my bag.
Where's C? 1, C. Here, te. Yung beans. Baba muna tayo. Tignan, ikot muna tayo. Ay, yung coffee. Tasting room. Go down. Hindi. It's pretty. Yeah, this is the one day. Pag umorder kang kape, ito yung lab nila. Ayan o. Oh, let's find an empty one. This one. Yeah. Okay, here.
It's not soft. This one's not soft. This one is soft. How about this one be softer?
Well, let's see.
Sit down. Sit down.
How about this one want to be softer?
There's no more space, anak. There's no more.
How about
Siya, may naka-occupy na. Kaya hindi ka tayo pwede.
very not good with this. This not good. The base, no. We're not living here. We're not living here, Mom. Let us
At gusto
out.
mo pala tayo. Baka magkano ka.
I'm very mad now. Stop arguing.
The other side. Yan ba yun? cocktail and coffee lounge. Okay. Let's see here if you want to buy some souvenir. How much?
Walang price.
Meron yan.
Wala.
It's for pickleball.
Pickleball.
Yeah, you don't play pickleball.
Because if you're watching mostly good movies, and you still give me a bunch of fun things like that. Skewing it.
The evil pickleball follows me here.
Oh, there's a pickleball.
It follows me.
Don't touch it. Ay! Grabe na. Ay, ito naman. Nakita mo malapit, ayan, oh.
Oh my God! Yeah. Baka muna.
That's the Empire State.
And this can come.
Yeah, that's the Empire State.
And this can come in the pocket.
Yeah, let's go down here.
Sana kasi pumunta tayo dun eh.
No, it's water.
Down here, down here.
Minsan lang yun, hindi nyo babalik dito. Ang dami kaya, sino naman kaya dati? Good job, good job. Grabe daddy, or she travel back.
JJ's here. That's JJ's here.
Okay, JJ is there. Your Shake Shack, daddy, on your left.
Ayan o, Trax 117. Yan ang hanapin natin bukas. Pwede pala tayo dito kumain na bukas.
Dami yung maganda tayo.
Habang nag-aantay, pag-check out natin.
Smell like poo-poo.
Naka-connect naman to sa subway. Kompleto ba gamit natin?
Sa akin yung ano, tapos bakit ba? Uy, wasabi, ang hanggang. Ano kaya yan? Isong lang yung kumain ka.
So doon tayo, doon din yung mga ano natin, Amtrak. I don't know.
Star Wars yun. Galing mo?
So downtown and uptown. A tayo, A. Go, go, go. Doon lang naman mag-iwala yan, yung opposite direction. Tingnan natin kung saan ano. Pero para...